not Hollywood, we're not Bollywood, we're Phuket Wood. A whole bunch of films, TV series, behind the scenes, all filmed here in Phuket, and you're going to find out how you can visit those locations in this video. Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with the quiz master, Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay, I'm the quiz master. Hey Shaun, have you got Phuket Wood?
What we are doing in this video is a lot of people ask us what are some of the famous filming locations here in Phuket and how can they go and see them. I am going to try and rattle off all the filming locations that I know and possibly the film that it was filmed in. So I'm going to start easy.
The film that it was filmed in or the location it was filmed in?
The location it was filmed in.
There you go.
I'm going to start with the easy ones. So recently Jurassic Park was filmed here. It was filmed in both Phang Nga Bay and in, I want to say Koh Kradan, but Trung
You're
Province.
going to go into this much detail?
Trung Province. Then we have...
Slow down. So that was Jurassic World.
Jurassic World.
There you go.
Rebirth, right?
I think so, yes.
Something about that. Then we had Aliens, which was filmed in Phang Nga Bay,
No.
Krabi, and some
Aliens was not filmed there.
Alien
Double Dot Earth was filmed there. Get it right. Keep going, I've got more.
Then we're going to have Hell in Paradise, that was filmed in Yemen.
That's not... Okay, Hell in Paradise is a French film that's not even out yet, but yes, it was filmed in Phang Nga Bay. Okay,
we have that on. 007.
Yeah, what's it
Road
called?
to Millions.
No. Okay, hold on. Road to a Million. It's not 007, it's Road to a Million Season 2.
Yes.
It's a TV show.
That was filmed here in Thailand.
But why are you talking about James Bond? What's the other one?
We have the normal James Bond Man with a golden gun that was filmed at James Bond Island.
Yes.
We have the beach,
yes,
which was filmed at Maya Bay.
Yes.
We have a Jason Statham movie, The Mechanic,
yes,
filmed at Lem Hart.
Yes.
We have Mother of the Bride.
Mother of the Bride.
Filmed in Yel Noi area at an island called Lok Kudu.
Yes.
And also filmed in Phang Nga Bay.
Okay. Want some more?
Jeez, I'm starting to run low now. We have a whole bunch of reality TV show like Love Island, Boy Island.
Sorry, just say that last one again.
Boy Island.
What's it called?
F-Boy Island. I can't say island.
You can't say that word. So
bleep it out.
Miguel just bleeped all that out. So F-Boy Island. Is that the Dutch one?
Yeah.
Oh, that was really weird
to
work on
that
one.
Photography one from the Dutch people that was filmed here.
I love the Dutch. Hello, the Dutch. The smoking the weed, the drinking the coffee.
Jeremy Clarkson's visit to Thailand that was filmed here.
Was
I
it?
did that this year.
Why did I need? I wasn't part of
it. A one-day shoot. You weren't needed.
Shall I give you some more you haven't even mentioned?
Yeah.
What about Meg 2?
Yeah, Meg 2 was
you
filmed
even worked
here on
on
the
that.
West Coast. Yes.
Yes. Here's one. Did you know the Killing Fields apparently were filmed here?
No.
No, apparently so.
And one of the Fast and the Furious movies was filmed in
Krabi. Yeah. Casualties of War, that was filmed here.
Extraction, was that filmed here too? There was a section of it being not in Phuket, it was filmed in Bangkok.
I don't know.
Where he took a tuk-tuk to an airport.
I didn't know this, but Good Morning Vietnam, parts of that were filmed here.
Really? I didn't know that.
No, I didn't know that either. I think it is because a lot of the landscape and stuff looks like Southeast Asia, so that it has that Vietnam feel. So that's why they film it here.
The Hangover 2?
Hangover 2?
It was filmed here. They crashed the boat in Krabi onto... You know the scene where the boat comes flying up? That was done in Krabi.
The Impossible?
Yeah.
That was filmed Caldacta, I think. Yeah. Does that count as
here? Oh, we have one that we kind of talked about, which is under NDA that we filmed here in April.
Oh, that's a TV commercial.
That was a Sam Raimi movie here.
Oh, that wasn't in that one?
No, you weren't in that one.
Oh, okay. I wasn't in that one either. I'm sure there's loads we've missed. There must be somewhere else. We were supposed to do this whole idea of there was loads.
This is quite a lot.
Is it quite a lot?
Less. Less than the last 10 years, all these films were filmed here.
Star Wars was filmed. There was parts of Star Wars.
Yeah, some of the flying stuff because they took the
here.
water out, right?
Yes. I'm sure there's some more. Hey, just pan a little bit while I just search the old Googly.
He's looking at Wikipedia and I'm doing it off the top of my head.
Well, you're so good. So much better than me. I can't do it. I've got this new phone. It doesn't work very well. How does this work?
We did a lot of ITV work here, but I can't remember all the shows that we did.
Okay, you ready? Paradise Beach.
I can imagine that.
Cutthroat Island.
Really?
Apparently so.
I heard that there's going to be a Island filmed here too.
Paradise Beach Escape to Thailand. Obviously, that was probably filmed
Oh,
here.
there was another one. Something. The 13 Lives was filmed here in Thailand, not in Phuket.
Heaven and Earth. We said that one or not?
No.
No? Hold on.
But where are we going with this? This is the challenge. Jay is going to work together with Phang,
Who?
is
Who's
our
Phang?
social media boss. Actually, Jay's boss, and they're going to design.
Can I just say, before we get into it, Phang is behind the camera looking so. Look how happy she looks today.
Actually,
look at that smile.
We filmed our bioluminescence tour for Netflix. It was part of Netflix.
Anne was on the BBC thing at My Bay. That lady
Yeah,
did the
we
whole
did
voiceover.
we did the BBC, and we did the Today Show. The Today Show was here.
When did we do that?
We
Yesterday.
did that when May Bay reopened.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still looking. There's loads of movies. Look, I didn't realise there were so many.
Anyway, what's the challenge, Jay? Tell everyone the challenge. Is
Okay, so the challenge is going to be this. I reckon there's been so many cool movies shot in Phang Nga Bay and around that area. I reckon we should create a blockbuster tour. Remember Blockbuster?
Yes.
Are we the only
it's
ones?
out of date. Does that mean you're going to create a tour that's so out of date?
Yeah, that's probably not the right word for it. Anyway, Blockbuster used to be the place to go. Before there's days of internet, you used to go and get a video from Blockbuster. You have to go and hand it, get it, you pick it, and then you have to rewind it to get it back. Remember that?
Yes.
You have to rewind it. Anyway, I reckon there is so many movies that have been filmed in Phang Nga Bay and the surrounding areas that we should create a Blockbuster tour to take people to go and see these exact locations. I think
What you're going to do is start watching our shorts, because we're going to put up a short.
Yes.
Which movie and where it was filmed, and at the end of all of those shorts, we're going to create a actual movie location video, and it's going to be a new tour for this year.
So we need to sit down now and go through all those movies and pick which one's the right place to go.
You do with fun.
Yeah, but you know where the places are.
Yeah, no, I'm busy.
You're not busy.
You have Google.
Sean was in Starbucks yesterday all day.
Working.
He was working.
How many messages did you get from
A lot.
me?
I loved it. I was very
lot
happy.
of messages.
And do you know what I love about Sean's message? And we'll get that. What I love about your messages, I get your messages, and then they get your assistant sending me the same messages in another chat. I'm like, why are you doing that? I can see the messages. I'm in that chat. Can you not see? Anyway, we were going to work out a whole new tour coming for high season. Blockbuster Tour. That's a good name, I think.
Okay. The very first ever Blockbuster movie locations tour
a long
here
name.
in Thailand, launching November 1st,
What?
2025.
We're going to be ready by then.
Oh, you have to be.
Me?
You have a lot of shorts to film.
All right. Thanks for watching. And if you want to go to a certain movie location,
Or if
What?
we missed a
What?
movie that you know was
Comment
filmed
below.
here, comment below.
and then we'll add it to the list. Right. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.